Hi everyone, my name is Vishit. Today is the 20th February 2023 and I'll be going over my weekly prediction for Tesla for the week ending the 24th of February 2023. So we start with the monthly charts here. As you can see, there has been a clear piercing line pattern, which is a very bullish pattern. And as expected, we see a sharp rise in the price in the month for Tesla, and it's been steadily going. However, the month has not finished. So as an indicator of resistance, I have just marked the high of the current candle. So if before the month ends, this resistance is broken, it is a very bullish signal for the next month as well, because it shows that the candle is able to break its own high. So, and RSI also confirms this movement, since RSI has been steadily going up, which can act as a confirmation that currently the month is very bullish for Tesla. And this is all that we can decipher immediately from the monthly charts. So we head over to the weekly charts here. We can see in a little bit more detail as to what's happening. And we can see that this is a clear resistance point as the market went here and as came down. So we can decipher a resistance point. We can also decipher an immediate support zone, which we have to place here. As you can see, the market has consistently hit this zone and broken down and then went down. So we can decipher a clear support zone as well. But where it gets really interesting is these two candles here. As you can see, they show no clear indication of sign or the direction of the market. Although they're green candles, they're spinning tops, and one candle doesn't really have any directional movement. So what I've done here is created a trading zone. So what it is the high and the low of both candles. So whenever this range is broken, whatever direction it goes to is the direction where the market is more likely going to be headed, as it shows that the market is able to break its own highs and lows from the past candles. And that's all for the weekly candlestick chart. Finally, let's go to the daily chart. Here is where we can see this in effect as well, because as you can clearly see here, this trading zone that I mentioned from the weekly chart applies to the daily chart as well, as it is the high for the week and also the low, as you can see. So the immediate thing we can identify from all three charts is a no trade zone, which lies with a resistance of 217 and a support at 187. So which is very likely to happen during the week, is that one of these zones are broken. So whatever zone is broken, this is where your view should be, since there is a strong probability that the market continues to go in that direction. And as you can clearly see, the RSI is pretty high. However, it has been going up. So one thing to monitor is that if the market breaks upwards and the RSI enters into the overbought zone, then there is a probability that the market rebounds downwards. As you can see, this has happened here, although it did stay above the zone for approximately a week. So yes, even if it does break above, there's a probability that the market stays above. However, it should be noted that generally, RSI breaks into overbought or oversold zones tends to have strong rebounds inwards to go back into the safe zones around the 50 mark. So now that we've identified the no trade zone, the next immediate resistance is at 233 and the next immediate support is at 176. So in the event that one of these zones are broken and it goes up or it goes down, the immediate resistance and the immediate support after the no trade zone should also be monitored. That if that is also broken, then it's something to keep in mind that is a very strong movement. And if someone has not already taken a position in that direction, that is also a very good time that shows commitment towards that direction. So this is my prediction for Tesla this week, and it is a no trade zone, which whenever it's broken is where my directional view lies. And on this note, I would like to end the video, but before finishing, I would like to inform all viewers that all content in this video is complete for educational purposes, and it is highly advisable to consult a financial advisor before taking any trades based on the information presented in this video, because trades are always subject to market risk. And for that reason, it is important to consult advisors before taking any rash trades. And on this note, I would like to end the video, and I'll catch you in the next week for the prediction for Tesla in that week.